You need to hold anything?
Before CMT, that's a B4
Let's see, my scorches on this.
Menu. This is W4 CMT. We need to stay off this frequency while they're working on the antenna. Roger, WB4 HTM flare. QSY to 97.
What do we need to do?
W4 CMT clear and QSY.
Okay, I'll just have to go down there and put some of the rope over the guy line.
Oh.
Are you good?
Yeah, I got it, yeah.
And yeah, it is tied off right
Okay.
here.
All right.
So it should be good.
It's like you got two straps on it? Yeah. They don't my leg.
It's all right.
I was thinking we might need something.
We're good. We're good. Only slightly disturbing.
So you want to keep on going until it slides down?
Yeah, I would.
Okay.
I don't think it'll hurt anything.
I got a pair of gloves, you need one.
I could have brought some gloves on.
Well, I got a pair if you need some. I brought extra. All right, let's bring it up slowly.
Hang on, just give a second.
They've had all this time to get ready. I'll volunteer for another volunteer. I can't
Okay. Oh. So to hold. Oh! Hold up, hold up, hold up.
Alright, I'm good.
Okay.
Bring it
Yep. All right, if we bring it down some, we can guide it in.
Ah,
All right, bring it down slowly.
come on.
Easing down.
Down.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Down. Slowly. I'll have to guide it.
Yeah, I'm trying. We'll make it. Come on, get in there. Come on, get in there. Come on.
Come on. Down.
Down, down, down. Down. There you go.
Is it in there?
It's in there.
Okay, good. Now.
Hope y'all got it because there's no load on the road.
That's
Kinda.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Let me move it here.
Yeah. That's barely any good. I'm about an inch down from it, the top and the bottom. A couple inches actually.
Yeah, I'm in real good shape here because Genfolds actually.
Okay.
I'm not even having to touch it.
All right, good.
Now what I'll do, when we get the other bracket in place,
Okay.
I'll move this rope up. That'll allow us another inch or two
Tilt,
this
yeah.
way.
Okay.
Now, when we get this hooked up, and before we tape it up, let's get, if Tom can put the analyzer on it, it'd be a good idea.
All right. You want to tell me to do that?
Yeah. I think we're ready. This is
K1, KY, W1, KOM. If you could go ahead and put the analyzer on this antenna, let's see what we got.
Alright, stand by.
Now, it's not going to be perfect. We do have another one that's in an angled one.